Happy learning and a good day. Learning a new lesson is an integral fulfillment of both teachers and students. It is interfolded with a great happiness and connections to a new normal status quo. I am Leo T. Solihon and I will be your teacher for today. And welcome to the quarter 1, week 1 and day 2 lesson. And today, we are learning to elucidate the field of vision in different genres, purpose, intended audience, and features of various viewed texts. Stay connected as I give you a decisive and above-board discussion. Yo set, as a learner, we need to know the learning objective, which is to identify the genre, purpose, intended audience, and features of various viewed texts such as a movie clip, trailer, news flash, and internet-based program. Why we need to perceive these things? Is it necessary? As a learner, is it an advantage for you to learn all of these things? You can figure it out as the discussion continues. Positively, we need to hit the trail. We try to unleash the paramount of genre, purpose, intended audience, and features of various viewed texts. Remember, it is a broad term which translates from the French, which mean a kind or a type. In the entertainment, this can translate to horror, romance, science fiction, etc. In general, these types differ for all sorts of reasons, from the actions in their plots to the feelings they elicit from the audience. As I have noted, it is the term for any category of literature or any forms of art or entertainment. In other words, genre categorizes movies. Categorizing movies makes it easier for the viewer to discover what he or she likes and wants to see as well. Genre consists of 4 elements or parts. It includes the following: character, story, plot, and setting. Just take down notes the equation for remembering the genre. S, P, C, S. Story plus plot plus character plus setting is equals to genre. In addition, we need to be acquainted and to learn the 4 elements or parts of the genre. First, we need to keep in mind with regards to the movie genre, it is the characters that make the movie. Then, the story. It is the situation that the characters are in and try to get out of, accomplish, conquer, or overcome. The story has the beginning, middle, and end. Then, the plot. It is the outline or how the story is being told. A particular plot describes how a story will begin, develop, and end. Take down with regards to a particular or a significant details of the genre. Then, we are entailed to the televisions, formats, and genres. Under this is animation. In animation, it includes puppetry, computer-generated imagery, stop motion, animated series, etc. Second is the live action, scripted. It comprises with drama and comedy. In drama, it includes the anthology series, televisions, movies, soap opera, telenovela, art television, action, courtroom drama, detective, fiction fantasy, during historical period drama, horror musical film. Oh my god, there is a lot. And in comedy, side it includes the action comedy, romantic comedy, satire, and sitcom. The third is the live action and scripted, which include amateur cooking show, documentary, children's series, educational factual televisions, infomercials, instructionals, news program, public affairs, religious reality, stand-up comedy, sports, talk show, televisions, documentary, and variety show. There's a lot that we need to take down notes for this. As an eagle eye learner, you need to run down and feel the grapple definition of each item. The first one that we need to know is the definition of documentary. It refers to the movies and the television's features based on or recreating an actual event, era, life story, etc. that purports to be factually accurate and contains no fictional elements. It is a research-based reporting that deals with a specific topic and format. The second one is a movie trailer, a short clip from a film. It is also known preview or coming attraction. It is a commercial advertisement for a features film that will be exhibited in the future at a cinema. The result of creative and technical work. The term trailer dates back to the distribution of movies and reels of the film. Take note with the third one, a movie clip. It is a digital video in its most basic form, great for capturing those unexpected moments and memories. The fourth one is a news flash. It is a single item of important news that is aired separately and often interrupts other programs. The fifth one is a weather report. It is actually or usually a part of the entire news program that tells and foretells a weather condition on a specific area. And lastly, it is the internet-based program, which defined as the program that is informative and can be accessed through the website. Always remember that learning all these definitions will out and out your understanding about the various materials of our program. Always keep in mind those definitions or terms. To sum up, always bear in mind the genres, the purpose, the intended audience, and the features of various text types. Not only with that, focus also to the television formats and genres, whether it is an animation, live action scripted such as a drama or comedy, and live action unscripted. And that ends with our lesson today. Did you understand? Is that clear to you? I hope so. But if not, you may go back to the lesson presented in your module. If today's lesson is very clear to you, unlimited claps for you. Congratulations. You may now answer the activities in your module. Again, this is Leo T. Solihon saying, do not forget to smile and pray to complete your day. Good luck.